The Rio Blanco station was located at kilometer 121 of the Transandine railway. It was inaugurated on May 1st, 1892. After the January 1934 alluvium, which wiped out more than 100 kilometers of track, the railway road was placed on the other side of the Mendoza River. Thus, the station was abandoned. Everything that could be reused was razed, but the embankment and the remains of railway structures, dwellings, and carrels are still there today. General map of the Transandine Railway and location of the Rio Blanco station. We can find Rio Blanco station on Google Earth. There are few photographs that can be found of the station. Here are some images. Repair workshop 1 kilometer far from Rio Blanco. Railway means dwelling zone. Photograph taken near Rio Blanco station. Near the station, the kilometer 120 signpost still stands. Panoramic views of the railway station and the adjacent dwellings. Here you can see the bridge's foundations over the Blanco River. Where once there was a station, only a few woods remain. Here, some of the Blanco River's water storage pools once used by the Transandine Railway. Until 1920, the Transandine Railway used this bridge on the mouth of the Blanco River. Today, its remains are a memento of the old railway. After the 1934 alluvium and the deactivation of the Southern Road, the station was dismantled for the reuse of materials and the area was abandoned. The little that remained is constantly buried by floods of varying intensity. It is worth noticing that, little by little, the whole landscape is going back to how it was before the arrival of the railway. In order to cross the Blanco River, one can use some logs placed to serve that purpose. Although some walls are still standing, the passage of almost a century of abandonment is unquestionable.